Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change email on Activation account without code. Updating your email on an Activation account without access to old email requires careful steps due to their security protocols. Normally, changing your email involves a verification code sent to your email to protect account ownership. If you no longer have access, direct email changes are impossible. The only viable option is to submit a support ticket through Activation's account recovery system. When filing this ticket, provide as much proof as possible, such as linked platform IDs, in game COD points, or the other account activity that proves ownership. Support agents may manually review your request and approve an email change if ownership is verified, though approval isn't guaranteed and delays are common. Persistence and detailed evidence are key, but without the old email, contacting support is the official route to update your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.